So, Dominic, how do you like the new neighborhood?
It's weird.
Dominic had a little adventure with a bug today.
It was a big bug.
You know, when I was a kid, I encountered a lot of strange bugs too. I collected them.
Oh.
You did? Like what?
Oh, ladybugs, lightning bugs, and grasshoppers.
Really? You did that?
Oh, it was a blast.
Can I go to my room?
Sure, just clean off your plate first.
You should have seen all of my friends running around the streets with little nets like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Dominic! What are you doing?
I was looking for something.
Sit down. I understand that leaving your thug friends and having a new dad...
Stepdad.
Sorry. Stepdad. And moving to the suburbs is hard. But this is our new home now. We have a new house in a new place, and you need a new attitude.
I guess. I miss my friends. This place sucks.
Well, what you need to do is go out and start making new friends. Just try it, all right? Now, I want you to stop looking out that window and start doing something with this room.
Hi.
Oh shit. Sorry, I was looking for my ball. Are these those things that making all that noise up in the trees?
Cicada bugs. They shed their skins and fly. Those are dead.
Oh, cool. Do you live here?
Yes.
I just moved here from Chicago.
Really? I never been.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I miss it. What's your name?
Steven.
I'm Dominic.
Hi.
Why are you hiding?
Because of my brother.
Where is he? That's your brother?
He's my parasite twin. People like to call us Siamese twins, but that's because they're stupid.
Is it weird having him like that?
No, I'm used to it. He went away yesterday. It was nice having someone to talk to. I miss him.
Yeah, I know what you mean. So, what do you do for fun around here?
I read a lot.
You don't ever go out and do stuff? Try this. So you actually, read this stuff?
Yeah. I like... Oh, yeah. Kind of teaches you how to build all the stuff.
That one did.
I kind of think it's... Usually, I think it's just not moving. Yeah, it's dead.
Sorry, that was my mom. Gotta go for dinner.
Okay.
Hey, you wanna come?
I've never been invited for dinner before.
Cool. You should come. My stepdad's kind of a nerd, but my mom's cool. Mom!
Sorry. So, Steven, do you live next door?
Yes.
Oh, good. I mean that you live so close.
Yeah, he has a basement all to himself. It's pretty cool.
And your parents?
They left a long time ago. I live with my grandparents.
My dad left too.
So, You lived here long?
All my life.
Do you go to the local school?
I'm homeschooled by my grandparents.
Oh.
Kids at school made fun of us and spit at us.
Oh.
We scared them.
Oh.
I think having two heads is pretty awesome. If the other one was still alive.
Honey, are you all right?
Yeah, just burning. He's dead.
My brother used to always talk a lot in the morning, but yesterday he didn't. Now he just sits there, turning purple.
I'll be right back.
I'm sorry about that.
I feel fine.
Let me see if he's okay. I'll be right back.
Maybe I should go.
No, don't go, okay? I'll be right back.
It's imperative that his friend has one face.
Hi, honey. We were just discussing, your situation.
What situation?
Well, we don't think you should be hanging out with your new friend right now.
Why?
Starting out in a new place, you may not want to stick out so much.
But Mom, you told me to make new friends.
I meant normal freaks. I mean friends. Maybe a friend with one head instead of two.
But the other one doesn't even work. It's dead.
I'm gonna throw up.
Having two heads is fine, but not if one of them is dead. He needs medical attention. Where is he?
Steven? Why did you leave?
Because I don't fit in.
I'm sorry if you heard what they said.
It's okay. Maybe now they'll accept me.
What do you mean?
I shed my brother, just like the cicadas. Now we can be friends.
Steven, we were already friends. Steven?
You're my hope, you're my freedom, you're my love from above. Without you, life just ain't worth the living. You're my strength, you're my Libra,